Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to create an invoice in the system. Let's get started. Start at the main menu. Navigate to Accounting. Then go to Customers. And select Invoices. This brings you to the Invoices page, where you'll find a complete list of existing invoices, along with their amounts and current statuses. To create a new one, click Add. You'll now begin entering the invoice details. Start by choosing the customer. Enter the customer reference and payment reference, if applicable. Set the invoice date. Then choose the due date. Define the payment terms for this invoice. If there's any internal information to include, add it here. Next, scroll to the Invoice Items section, where you can list the products or services you're billing for. Don't forget to review your terms and conditions. If all looks correct, click Create to generate the invoice. Your invoice is now in draft mode. Take a moment to review all the details before finalizing. Everything in order? Hit Confirm. The invoice is now officially issued. To record a payment, click Register Payment. Fill in the necessary payment information. For partial payments, just enter the amount received. The system will automatically calculate the remaining balance and offer options for how to handle the difference. When finished, click Register Payment to complete the process. Once paid and confirmed, you can email the invoice or print a copy for the customer. If a refund is needed, you can issue a credit note directly from the invoice. Need to make changes? No problem. Reset the invoice to draft mode and update it as needed. Want a faster way to create invoices? Use the quick links. From there, just click New Invoice. And that's it, you now know how to create and manage invoices in Invent ERP. Thanks for watching.